Correct. In fact, Dolores Giuliani testified today that the first she even heard of this possible oral agreement was last year when Kevin Steele reopened the case. So no communication from Cosby's attorneys in a decade about this.
And it's worth emphasizing in terms of the dramatic impact or the serious impact on this prosecution. Had the judge granted the defense motion, it would have basically, in the words of one of the attorneys, stopped this prosecution in its tracks.
Exactly.
So the fact that this prosecution is going forward is now the normal course of events, but it's a major, major decision.
And the judge was very careful, we should mention too, to not allow too much evidence into this hearing, because this is a very early hearing. There is, of course, no trial set, nothing yet right now. So he didn't want any evidence to taint any possible jury. So there was a lot of information brought up that he paused some of the defense attorneys and some of the district attorney here before releasing it as a possible piece of evidence, correct?
And let's not forget the appellate factor here, because from talking to some of the attorneys off the record prior to these 2 days of hearings, there are appeal options on both sides. In this case, it would be the defense, who could conceivably take an appeal of the ruling that we just heard minutes ago. That could in turn further delay proceedings, and there are numerous other appellate issues. The bottom line is, while this prosecution is going forward, I think we've just gotten a taste that it is going to be most likely an extremely complicated
and a very long,
litigious, and then some.
And a very long process here. So just the beginning, of course. Once again, 78-year-old comedian Bill Cosby, a motion denied by his defense attorneys, by the judge here just minutes ago, Walt Hunter, inside the courtroom as that happened. And that's the latest right now from the Montgomery County Courthouse.
Motion denied, criminal charges can go through. Walt, great. Thank you so much. Stand by. We will be getting right back to you.